Hi guys, back with me again in the tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files on Google Drive. So if you accidentally delete a file on a file or folder to in the Google Drive and you want to recover it, or probably you yesterday you delete a file but turns out today you need the file again and you want to recover it, I'm going to show you how. So for example, I accidentally delete this file. I accidentally deleted the file and then turns out I need the file again, and you can find the deleted files on the trash panel. Here at the left panel you can see trash option and click on that. As you can see, this is the file that has been deleted before. So just right click on the file and then click on restore. When you do that, you can just click on the show file location to locate the file. So just like that, the file has been recovered into the original folder, just like that. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can recover deleted files on Google Drive. It's so easy, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.